Hey everyone, my beautiful wife back there, dog, myself, out for another adventure. A little rainy today, but that ain't gonna stop us. Still gonna find some way to have some enjoyable fun, not just sit around and do nothing. So we're gonna go see if we can't find some cool rocks or fossils. I should say my wife, not me. I'll keep my eye open for them big trees that I like to look for. So yeah, we're hiking in to a spot right now where there's a creek that runs down into the Black River. So we're going to see if we can't find anything cool down in there. Maybe even see what other interesting things we can find. And I guess the trail that we're hiking on today, somebody has named the loop with a nifty little sign bolted to a tree. Here, I'll show you. You guys can see that. So we're gonna go see what the loop's about. See you out there. Oh, in a little bit. And they left me. How nice of them. Oh, there they are.
I got you a gift. It's called dog.
Come on, dog. As your mom would say, let's blow this popsicle stand. I didn't think you were supposed to have horses back here.
No.
Breaking the law. So if I was guessing, the state did not make this trail. Somebody probably took their own time to make this. Remember that one website I was telling you about, hon?
I didn't hear anything you said to me.
So you remember that one website I was telling you about?
For what?
When I looked up to see if there's any like known trails around here?
Yes.
This was the one that I was telling you about.
Well, on the picture that they left on the windshield, there's only specific things that you can use these trails for.
Slipping and falling. Hey, hold on, dog. I'd rather not get pulled down this. Go that way. This is a real thick woods. I like it. Yeah, we gotta go this way. Oh, that's a steep hill. Come on, dog. Come on. Let's go. We'll leave your mom to fend for herself since she was just mean. Come here. Look at this. Oh. Did we lock the truck?
I didn't.
Oh, this is just nice. Wow, I'm out of shape. So in a hurry to get, I shouldn't even say hurry. Oh, I'm telling you, gotta like work out more. It's a big hemlock right there. As I was trying to say, we forgot the keys in the truck. Well, if you ask my wife, I forgot the keys in the truck. But anyway, it don't matter, because I'm a guy that's got to walk all the way back, get the keys and lock the truck, because I guess you really just can't trust people nowadays. So I'll do this hike twice today. I'm about done for the day. When I say we're probably a half mile back in there right now, we're a half mile back in the woods. Not like it's a far walk for a guy that's not really into running a whole lot. That's a far run. Another note, just can't beat that, can you? Oh, well, I'm gonna run my behind back to my wife, and I will see you guys back out in the woods. You know, running back to the truck because my wife and I forgot to lock it, or if you ask my wife, I forgot to lock it and get the keys out of it. We'll just set blame there. Either way, running back to the truck and doing that, it's obviously frustrating. Just getting into our adventure, getting into our hike. So it's frustrating having to run all the way back to the parking spot. As I keep saying, I don't know if you can tell I'm frustrated, but taking a step back from that, it's just like a lot of things in the walk of life. You have setbacks. You're gonna get thrown on your butt. You're gonna have to run back to your truck to lock it, or even more serious matters. Whatever it is, there's always setbacks in life. And believe me, I understand that some people have more greater setbacks than others. But you just got to get back on your feet and give her a go again. You got to keep trying. Definitely helps when you got a good support system behind you. And I got a great family, a very understanding, caring wife, great parents, great friends, employers. I've definitely been blessed. And I definitely know that there's other people out there that haven't been as blessed as that. And with that said, you know, even though you might have your own setbacks, don't let them get you in a grumpy mood. You get in a grumpy mood, take it out on somebody that might be having a worse setback. yeah, it just might put them over the edge. So, just the way I look at things. Not saying it's right. I'm just saying. So yeah, anyways, a little jog back to the truck kind of made me think of that. You might be able to find some cool fossils in this little area, hon. Dog, you're gonna break your leg.
You don't need to pack it down like that.
It's the leash, hon. You don't gotta be so sass like that. Oh, that's why you're getting sass with me?
Yes, because you wanted to bring it.
Dog, I'm hated by association because of you.
You're gonna package her up and sell her? Is that what you said?
No.
Oh, darn, dog. You got excited.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting to like find how these streams or these creeks that run down to the river, like you find different fossils in them.
No, you know what I think is cool? How everything connects.
Well, yeah. As far as
Oh, that could mean that little right into that.
yeah, if you were to spit into this right now, it would end up in the Great Lakes.
Oh, you mean like the dog poop?
Yeah, like the dog poop. Look at this. This is an interesting artifact. I don't know what to call it. From the prehistoric era.
Is it actually, or are you just making that up?
No, it's a 12-inch. It's a piece of a 12-inch culvert. I don't think the dinosaurs were using culverts back in the day. They weren't into diverting water. Wow, is that beautiful. You find one, hon? I think you might find a couple up here. This is a really beautiful area. Was that like a belly smacker? Your belly hurt now? That was loud, dog. Come here, Mia. Mia, come here. Sit. Go. Why aren't you listening today, dog?
Because my brain cells are underwater. Sit.
Oh, that's not nice. Nobody wants to look at.
Why is it so hot? Where's my rock at?
Oh, this rock?
Yeah.
Right here?
Sit.
Nope. It's all gone.
Don't move.
Look how cool that is. See that, hon? Did you see that, hon?
No, I didn't even.
How the roots are growing.
Pretty cool. I like the roots. Yeah, you like the roots?
It's like got a whole bunch of tap roots going down to keep it upright. That's eastern white pine too.
I really like it. You know the saying where you keep looking down so you miss the stuff that's in front of you?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I feel like right now. Except if I don't look down, I'm gonna miss the stuff that's below.
You know, you could slow down for a second.
I did. I did too.
That's why I fell behind.
Yeah, you're perfect.
Oh, look, it's a raccoon track.
What?
Raccoon.
Oh, crap. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it's high five the ground right here. What'd you think I said? Scat?
Crap?
I was gonna say you just have an obsession with scat today.
No.
That's a big old red oak.
Mia, don't even think about it.
Looks at the leaves, it's definitely a red oak.
Mia, no. I like the trees that look like they were like trees in an animal home. You know? Like in a movie.
See the ducks flying out?
Yep.
They probably just came out of one of them animal homes you were just talking about.
It is funny.
No, I'm not. Well, my wife could be nice and help me.
Oh, I do that.
This
Did you
is,
go for bed?
it's almost dead.
No, I wanted to record you getting over this. Like you did to me. No, you're gonna climb over this thing or under this thing.
You remember I grabbed your bag when that happened?
I'll grab your bag and your camera. Soakers.
Everything make it on the backpack okay? Oh, that sucks. How am I a big lame-o? Oh, quicksand sinking.
Pick the wrong side.
Yeah, I'm gonna go pick the right side. Well, in this case, it'd be the left side. That's just gonna be a soaker. Heck, you suppose this was for? Hammock? Somebody like had a hammock right here or something. It's 2 hooks. I mean, a hammock would make sense. Can you get that yellow can out of this side, please, and thank you? I don't want the off can. I want the. Well, one's green and one's yellow. One's drinkable, one's not. Did you buckle that back
The
up?
green one's drinkable.
Hon, you gotta buckle that back up.
It wasn't buckled when I went there.
Well, can you please buckle that back up?
Yes, 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 yes.
You gotta buckle that back up.
Okay.
That's not nice to say to your husband. You were walking by me like you forgot about me.
Mhm.
Let's see how foamed up this sucker is. Oh, yeah. Didn't get anything new for this week. It's the same hazy. And there is a lot of sand. Like, I bet you this whole hill, this whole ridge is sand.
Dog. I think it's dog.
Just watch where you're stepping up there, hon. There's some, never mind. Oh, that was almost bad. Is that almost bad, hon?
No.
You want to know why it was almost bad, though? Because I didn't get it on video. Oh, what's going on over here? What do we got here? This is some investigating time now. Mia, stay close. And we had time to landscape. Well, if you guys can see that. Get some landscaping. Like, or just a little bit of backwood landscaping with a fire pit and yeah, some survival technique. It's a heck of a shelter we got here. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't be sleeping underneath that.
I wouldn't be sleeping above it either.
Wake up in the middle of the night, you're gonna have like a, well, either that, it'd collapse on you, or you'd have like a giant snake just slithering down. No?
No, thank you. I think I would acknowledge myself before I decided to stay out in the woods. In this case, educate myself.
Yeah, acknowledging yourself is not
Well, I meant like I would give myself knowledgeable.
I tell you right now, the mosquitoes are definitely,
Not our friend.
every time I stop I can feel them trying to penetrate. Oh yeah. You guys are crazy if you're going that way. There's another unique fossil. No, my wife's backpack's already full. We'll definitely make sure we take our garbage with us, though.
Oh, we don't leave trash out here. Except for the dog right there.
The dog's not trash.
Hey, come on. No, she's just eating all of the grass. Not gonna be any left. I'll take that off though.
And it's a good thing your husband comes prepared. You need me to wipe it on your forehead at all?
No, I'm already hat.
Bless you.
Maybe above.
No other pocket.
Rotate yourself.
What are you hydrating yourself with?
Water like a normal human being. Good old-fashioned Culligan water. I'm glad to know you're the only one that loves me.
What's going on down here?
I almost got swallowed a hole, and the only one who cared was the dog.
I doubt that. If you walk around it, it's a lot easier. Hon, walk that way.
Why would I walk that way when I'm already here?
Well, here, I'll lend a hand.
Yeah, you're right. You're gonna lend a hand.
Just one, though. Hon.
No.
Would you like a hand?
Me or what?
You have to reach for my hand, though. Hon, helping involves grabbing my hand.
Wait.
The dog didn't really have an issue. We had a bug or something in my eye.
You'll be alright. You didn't care about me, so not have to deal with bugs.
It's okay, I got it though. I took care of the problem myself.
Come on, dog. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, I think I'm gonna stop and measure this tree.
Why, so you can remark it?
Yeah, and it's worth measuring, so we'll measure it. It ain't the biggest of its kind, but
Get over here. Come here. Sit. Sit.
what'll happen to this
Sit.
thing?
I asked you to sit. I asked you to sit down. Come here. Now sit. Don't move.
Five foot 11 inches. Still pretty big northern white cedar. What the heck's going on in here now? Too much going on in there. Would you like to climb up that?
Is it quicker to get us back?
Well, yeah, we got to get up there somehow.
It's gonna take me 10 minutes to get there.
Yeah, it looks like somebody's done this before.
Yeah.
You're not the one that had to run back to the truck earlier, so
We'll be all right.
I'll follow you guys.
Why? Because you can take breaks. Come on, Mia.
No, I'll just stay down here.
Man, no. Come on, dog. Mia, no.
I don't think you guys understand how steep this hill is.
Oh, man.
Yeah. It's a steep one. That dog's like, what are you guys doing? She'll be sleeping good tonight. It's okay, I got a good view.
Get out of here.
Just don't mind my breathing.
Oh, look at that. That wasn't so bad.
Oh. Made it. So did you enjoy today's adventure, Wolves?
It wasn't bad.
Huh?
It wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad?
No, I liked the ones that had like super nice scenery, but also super scenery.
Oh, you didn't think today was super nice scenery?
Scenery, yeah. We only found like what, 2 really good rocks?
I don't know.
There's can't be choosing, but
I don't know what's in your bag today.
yeah, you do. One of them's like that honeycomb right there.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know a couple, but I have a feeling you've been stashing a little bit more than just a couple. Oh, you didn't get that many?
No. Kind of disappointed.
And somebody is marking this trail. These? I don't know the exact name of these, but they have a
Get the dog.
Mia, come here. They grow a fruit on them that's called a mayapple. I think they're probably called mayapples. I honestly don't know the exact name. But you can actually eat the fruit they bear when they. Yeah, I think I have had this conversation with you before. But basically you can harvest the mayapple and eat it at like when they're at a right stage in their whatever you want to say. Maybe next time, well, when we're out here, if we see them. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up our adventure today. Hike a little bit longer than we said we were going to. A little further.
A lot further.
Are you exhausted or something?
It's just that big hill at the end.
Well, that was nothing. That was chump change.
Okay, old man. Relax.
The dog's doing just fine.
He runs for a living.
So, we're on our way back to the trucker now. Probably gonna go find something to eat. Go home and probably do nothing around. Maybe. We really rarely ever do nothing, so probably find something to do. And then relax for the rest of the evening. Either way.
We gotta go through the rock.
Oh yeah. We gotta go through the rocks. She's gotta go. not me.
Uh-huh.
So typically I sit there and
Yep, that one looks good. Yep, that one looks good.
I'll probably be editing this video while she's going through them rocks, fossils, whatever she found today. So either way, hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. We weren't even gonna go out today because of the rain, but we are glad we did. Yeah, we got a storm rolling back in right now, so we're kind of hurrying back to the truck before we actually get rained on. So, see you guys on the next one.